What's up, guys? I'm here to introduce you the nice, let me say, the nice broker scripts that you can get so far. So this script is a very sharp broker website. In case you want to create your nose broker project, so this script, you can see the user interface is very nice and okay. So the next thing that I love about this script is has wallet connect. So most of you know what is wallet connect. So this script has an inbuilt wallet connect, so you don't need to come and be attaching a new wallet connect or creating a new website for wallet connect. This script has it already. So and this script always send the information to the admin panel, so you don't need to be getting it to the to your, let me say, either your telegram or your email. So this script has it on the admin backend. You are going to be seeing every single details that your user input. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create this website and how you can be able to integrate every other stuff. But if I get started, please, if you're new to my video, please kindly do what to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, that anytime I release a new video like this, can be able to get notification for that. So we need to just go straight to the video. Go to your cPanel, go to your file manager. So I'm going to be selecting my root directory, which is the domain name that I want to install this particular script. So I'm just going to be installing it on my subfolder. So let me just create a folder and give it a name. So I'm going to be giving it a broker. Just give it a name. So I'm going to be installing this script in this folder. So let me just give it a name. Then we upload our script. All right. So now let me select my folder. This is where I want to upload it. Then I click on upload. So now I select my file. So let me just locate where I save my file. Then I located this. So let me just locate it. All right. So this is the script. Then I upload it. Then give you some time for the uploading to complete. So as we are waiting for the uploading to complete, let us go and create our our database. So you come to manage database, so click on it. So you just need to click on it, then you input your database name. Just input your database name. You can use whatever thing that you want. So once you input your database name, click on create database, then it's going to be created. Then the next step you need to do, you need to create a user for this database. Now we need to go back and scroll down to you see add new user. So just input your username, just input anything there. So once you input it, then you just click on your generate password, copy the password, and you check I have copied this password in a safe place. Then click on use password. So once you click on use password, you create a user. Just click on the create button, then it's going to be created. So the next step we need to do, we need to go back and add the user to the database so that the two can communicate to each other. So you just need to scroll down till you see add user to database. Click on it, you select the database that you created and the user. Just click on add, then you check all privileges, scroll down, then you click on make changes. So now we need to copy our database, and I'm just going to be copying one because of I use same name for both. So I'm not going to be copying the user also. I'm just going to be copying just one. So now once our upload is complete, we need to go back. Once we go back, we need to extract this file. So just click on extract. It's going to be extracted. Give it some time. All right. So now we need to reload this page. Click on reload. Then we double tap our file. We move all. So we need to move all this folder to the main root domain, to the main place. This is the main folder where I want to install this script. So just input it there. Then you move all. So now we go back. We click on one up level. Then up one level. Then we edit. Then we edit this config page. So first we need to download our database. Make sure that you okay, let me just load the page. I think the page is going to be loading. So without connecting the database, the home page is going to be loading. So let me just input the domain. Then the page will load, but we cannot register. We cannot create an account because there is no database linked to the admin. So this is the home page here. It's loading perfectly. So but we cannot create user. If I click on this sign up or login pay and this login button, you are going to be seeing this. So we have not connected our database to the user yet, so we need to do that right now. So now we need to come to our SQL this folder. So we need to download our database. Just download your database. So once you download your database, then we need to go back. Then we need to come to this folder, config folder. Then you edit db.php. You edit it. So once you edit it, you are going to be seeing this page. So now you need to change this to our credentials. So you need to input your database and the user and the password. So this is what we are going to be doing here. Let me just paste my database name. So you paste your database name. So this is the password. So I'm going to be pasting the password also. So let me paste my user. Like I said, I'm using same name for the database and the user. So if you're using different thing, just make sure that you paste it accordingly. So now let me paste my password. Then we click on make changes. So we click on save changes, then we go back. So if you look at this down place, you're going to be seeing payments option and all that. So for your SNTP to work, make sure that you edit this email SNTP. You can change it to your email and all that. Create an email, your cPanel, and you input your credentials so that users can be able to be receiving emails whenever they do an activities on your website. So make sure that you edit it properly. So I'm just okay. So now the next step is the payment option. If you look at it, you're going to be seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Solana, and all that. So these are where you need to input your wallet address. So these are where you need to input your wallet address. Input your wallet address, and you are good to go. So this script is not hard to install. So once you are done with everything, just save changes. Then we come to our PHP my admin, so that we can be able to upload our database. So you come to your database, then you select your database that you created, then click on import. Once you click on import, then we click on choose file. So we select our file that we downloaded earlier, which is the database. So this is it. Then we scroll down to and click on import. So we give you some time for it to load. All right, so the database has been imported successful. So now let's go back to our website and let's refresh this and go to the login page. You can see that the login page is now working, right? So same things applies to the sign up page. So let me just refresh this page. So sorry, let me refresh it. All right, so you can see that the sign up page is also working. So now we have done inputting and all that. So the next step we need to do, we need to set a cron job for this, so that investments RIO will be returning automatically. So that's whenever a user make an investment, the RIO will be returning automatically. So now we need to go back to our file manager. So we need to go back to our file manager. We need to go back and we edit the cron job setup. Then we get a link. So we edit the cron job setup. So this is it here. Just edit it, or you can also view it if you want. So now we are going to be copying this link here. So you can see that site name. Input it. Just input it with your site. Let me say your site and your cPanel username. So I'm just going to be copying it. Then we go to our cPanel. Let's go to the home page. Okay, so now we search for cron job. So search for cron job on your cPanel. So this is it. Let me just select it. So now we select the cron job type just every minute. Then we input our link. So that site name, make sure that you just input your cPanel username. That is the site name. Replace it with your cPanel username. That's all. So once you are done, just click on add cron job. So let me just input my own and the add cron job. So it will be added successful. So once it's added successful, which means that whenever a user invested, or let me just say invested, the RIO will be returning. So now we are done and everything. So let me just quickly log into the admin. For you to log into the admin, just impose this URL and you'll be logging directly to the admin. So let's log into the admin. Let me just explain how everything work on the admin section. So it's very easy to manage. You don't need to have any technical skill for you to be able to manage this admin section. So let me just input the default admin email and password. Okay, I think this is it. Let me put the password. Alright, so then click on login. Sorry, I think I made a mistake. Alright, so this is the correct username and password, email and password. So we click on login. So we are going to be logging into the admin section. So you can see everything, the total user and transaction and all that. So you can see every option there. So you can see the plans, you can packages. These are the plans. If you want to add plan, you can add plan. You can also manage your plan. So if you come to this connect section now, the connect part is where you will see the information. Okay, this is where you are going to be seeing the information on the wallet connect side. So you are going to be seeing all different information here. You go to the user and everything. So it's very easy to manage. So you don't need any technical skill for you to be able to manage this admin section. So if you want to get these scripts, click the link in the description and you are going to be getting your own copy. And if you find this video useful, please do smash the subscribe button, like, turn on the notifications. That's anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you in my next video.